Today I'm going to demo our Enterprise Risk Management product and discuss how the Diligent One platform can help you provide a comprehensive and integrated view of your operational and strategic risks across your organization. Our ERM solution within the Diligent One platform is designed to automate and streamline your risk management program and optimize your team's efficiency by saving you time managing risks through emails and spreadsheets. Now, this is our launchpad where you have full view of your organization's GRC applications on the Diligent One platform. And before we dive deep into the risk management workflow, I want to show how you can surface a comprehensive view of risk to leadership and the board through the Diligent One platform and our ERM solution. With the Diligent One platform's cutting-edge analytics and reporting capabilities, you can easily create a single view of risk to provide your leadership and the board with the clarity they need to make risk-informed decisions. I'm starting off with a view of our Activity Center, which allows you to pull data from across the platform to produce meaningful, real-time insights through out-of-the-box and configurable dashboards. These can then be shared with leadership and the board with the click of a button. In this example, you have our ERM board reporting dashboard, which summarizes curated information to provide leadership and the board with a comprehensive and action-orientated view of your organization's risk profile. You can glean important insights through an interactive risk heat map, including the categorization of risks and the ranking of top risks versus risk appetite. You can easily configure the format of the dashboard to align with your organization's needs. We help organizations automate their risk management programs, saving time and money, while gaining a centralized view of your strategic risks for a top-down perspective. Now I'm going to show you how you can centralize and automate risk management in one secure platform. Let's jump right into the Risk Manager application, or the heart of the Diligent One platform when it comes to risk management. Risk Manager is designed to be the single source of truth for all your risks and controls. You can manage your risks in this highly secure and amplified risk register, which is FedRAMP authorized. You are initially greeted with some visualizations, the first being workflow status, which aggregates the various workflow stages of your risks. There's also a risk heat map that showcases the various inherent risk scores. Both visualizations are interactive. If you click on any of the data, the risk register below filters accordingly. The risk register is where you can find all of your risks that have been identified and are currently being managed through their life cycle. You can drill down into each one of these risks from this view and filter across multiple dimensions to see what assessments are currently taking place against that risk and see what relationships have been mapped against it. This provides the ability to map many-to-many relationships across the objects, allowing for more context within each risk. So let's dive into a risk. At the top of the screen, you will see the workflow stages, which can be configured for your relevant process. Out of the box, Risk Manager is equipped with the best practice risk identification, evaluation, and assessment workflow that is aligned to ISO 31000. The Details tab aggregates all of the various attributes you use to track information for a particular risk, such as name, category, description, and risk score. Moving along to questionnaires, you can create a questionnaire or bring in questionnaires to send out to risk owners to effectively gather their viewpoint of this risk. Looking at the Relationships tab, you can link risks to controls that you've brought into Risk Manager, as well as other risks, assets, processes, and objectives that live within Risk Manager to create relationships in a child or parent-like capacity. Lastly, you can launch risk assessments from within the Risk Manager app. Diving into a risk assessment here, you are met with a different workflow that can be configured to your risk assessment process, and a Details tab that contains various information you'd like to work with and manage for this particular risk assessment. Returning to the main page, you'll find a section where you can monitor all the controls you've implemented to address the risks identified in Risk Manager. Moreover, you have the option to adjust our risk scoring algorithm by accessing this section and customizing the formula used for risk assessment. Now, today I showed you how to deliver a holistic risk strategy with the Diligent One platform and our ERM solution. Risk teams today need to do more with less. Diligent's ERM solution not only helps mitigate and manage risk, but also break down silos, enables a secure flow of information across teams, and offers a single view of risk to leadership and the board, all within a centralized platform. This is the future of risk management.